Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can reduce the image file size without losing the original quality. So for example, if you have an image which has the size of 5 pixels, 6 pixel and more than that. So if you want to make it more smaller in size, how you can do it. So if I show you that I have an image in my desktop here, as you can see, so this is the image. This file is, if I show you the details properties, this file is 4.29 megabyte. So I am going to reduce the size of this image. So let's see how I can do it. So firstly you have to go to google.com, then you have to search here reduce image size. Okay, then you will get a website called reduceimages.com. Go to this website. Okay, here you will see an option called select images, then click on this button, then select the image. For me, I have the picture in my desktop, then I selected it. So as you can see, so you can reduce the pixel, you make it centimeter, you can select the inches as well. So I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just clicking on the image sizes, resize image. Okay, if I click, so as you can see the 4 megabyte MB has been converted into 1.1111 and the quality is the same. So if I want to download this image, I have to click on the download. Okay, if I show you the image, okay, if I show you the properties first, then as you can see it is 1.11 MB, 1.11 MB. Okay, if I open this image, as you can see the quality is still the same as before. So this is how you can reduce the image size in the way you want. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, make sure like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell